All right, let's get airborne.
A number of things went wrong with this flight. First, I forgot to press record while I was flying around. I was recording audio, but I was not recording video. And then when I got about a half a mile away, I lost contact with the helicopter, and it did a return to home and was going to try to land, but of course the boat on anchor moves around a little bit, so I had to stop that and take over flying.
Oh, and I never hit record, so that's awesome.
You never hit record?
Nope.
Oh man.
I'm recording now though. Hello. Well, there's Perfect Cove. There's our little boatie.
Oh, this is one idea. Yeah, that gave me one shot and one over.
And you can see Perfect Cove is pretty big. It's part of Patton Island, which is in Harrison Bay. But compared to Harrison Bay, which we're about to back into, compared to Harrison Bay, Perfect Cove, which you can see basically the whole thing there, look at Harrison Bay. Big. There's Harrison Bay Marina way over there. And this is a place we call Envy Bay. Craig Joel named that because I don't know if you can see it, but Highway 58 goes right by there.
At this point, I pretty much gave up on this video because the sun was so bright. Even though I was under the bimini top in the boat, I could not see the cell phone, which I'm using as a monitor for flight, so I couldn't tell what I was really looking at, and I couldn't tell what to say, and I pretty much just decided let's go ahead and get this helicopter back in the boat. You know, I'd already lost contact with it on this flight, so there was a chance that I was never going to see it again, and let's just get back home. But it's always interesting to me to watch a video of a helicopter landing, or a drone landing, or a Phantom 4 Pro, whatever you want to call it, because the most important thing that you want to have happen when you take off is to get the helicopter back safely. So a lot of times I share videos that have the landing in them, and because to me the landing is the most important part. So even though this whole video is a failure, the landing itself was very successful. This is the first non-catch landing that I've done from our new little boat.
There's Casey and Heather swimming. Well, that was a disaster, but we didn't lose the helicopter, so all's well that ends well. Say bye-bye. Bye.